Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can find block list in Hilokal social app. Maybe you block someone already, but if you want to unblock them, then how you can find the block list. So you can see it's the home page of Hilokal, but we need to go here, your profile page. You can see the option, sorry. So this one, it's a profile page. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will get your profile page. So this is a profile page. Okay, so scroll down a little bit, then here you will see the option settings. So this option, it's called settings. So simply click on settings. Once you click settings, then scroll down a little bit, then here you will find the option block list, privacy and security, and that section, it's called block list. So simply click on that. So here you can see I block someone, this person, for tutorial purpose. So I want to unblock her, so simply click unblock, and then that account will be unblocked. So here are some it takes few moments. User unblocked from my list. So okay friend, you can find this way and you can unblock other people. So okay friend, today's Noman, thank you for watching.